In this video, I'm going to show you how to dedicate an entire tab for your charts right here in Google Sheets. So when working on a spreadsheet and you just want to dedicate an entire tab to your charts, here's how you can do it. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out later. Going back to the chart, so once you've inserted and created that chart, what you're going to do is to select that chart, like so, click on it, then go to the ellipsis at the top right corner, and you'll have your option Move to Own Sheet right here. So once you click on that, it will create an entirely new sheet with the name Chart 1 right here, where your chart is going to be. So there's nothing else in this chart, there's no spreadsheet, it's the entire chart itself. And you will have the options to copy, edit, publish, download, or delete this chart at the top right here. And there you have it. So if you wanted to edit this chart, just click on Edit Chart right here, and you will have your chart editor open on the right side. Same way that you will have it open when you have it on your spreadsheet, but this time it's in a sheet or the tab itself. Nothing else but the chart. And there you have it. Now, if you have any changes on the dataset that this chart is based, let's go back to Sheet 1 right here. Let's say that the Alphabet or employee stock programs are not really just 1%, but 5%. If I press enter and go back to my chart right here, you will notice that our orange pie slice right here, which is now at 5 or 4.8% of our entire pie chart. And there you have it. So again, this will automatically update based on the original data. And there you have it. Now, if you want this chart to go back to your sheet right here, what you're going to do is to just undo everything, like so. So with the undo button, we were able to return our pie chart here on our original sheet. But again, if you want to have an entire tab dedicated to this chart, select that chart, go to the ellipsis, and click on Move to Own Sheet. And there you have it. That's how you can dedicate an entire tab for your charts right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.